Hey guys, John here from Diode. Today in the garage, we'll be going over and showing you how to install our new Stage Series reverse light kit as you see here on this 2019 Ram 1500 Limited. This kit comes with your choice of our SSC1 or SSC2 LED pods, or new with this kit, it's also available with our C1R pods, which includes a high-powered fourth brake light. This kit bolts directly to factory mounting points located under the rear bumper on the 2019 through 2023 Ram. Each pod option features our flood optic, which provides a true optically designed even spread of light. Not only will this kit give you a huge increase in light output behind the vehicle, each option includes a distinctive backlight in a vibrant red color which functions as an additional accent light while driving, and then automatically switches to a high-powered backup light when your vehicle is put in reverse. And if you went with our C1R option, you'll also have a high-powered fourth brake light and an optional safety strobe that applies between braking. What really makes this kit stand out is that it uses vehicle signals to operate compared to a separate switch. This kit plugs right into your factory trailer hitch wiring for easy installation. There's no need to route wires up to the front of the truck, and absolutely no cutting, drilling, or additional wiring is needed. If you're looking for more of a flush appearance, we recommend checking out our flush mount kit. Let me show you how to get everything installed. At the rear of the vehicle, we'll start by removing two 13mm bolts behind the bumper located near the inside parking sensors on both the driver and passenger side using a 13mm ratcheting wrench. Next, we'll install our reverse brackets using the factory bolts that we just removed. You'll notice on the brackets they're labeled left and right, so you want to make sure that the orientation is correct when you install them. It's important to note if you're installing on a Rebel or TRX model to reference the included installation guide. This step may change depending on your vehicle trim. Next, grab your universal mounting bracket included with your kit and secure it to the reverse light bracket using the included carriage bolt, washer, lock washer, and nut, and make sure the curved portion of the bracket is facing towards the rear of the vehicle. With our bracket installed, grab one of the SSC1, C1R, or SSC2 pods included with your kit and install it onto the bracket using the included hardware. For our application, we'll be using C1R pods. Using a 5/32 Allen key and a 3/8 wrench, tighten the bolt such that the pod retains its position but can pivot with force for aiming. With our pods mounted, we're now ready to wire everything up. From underneath the vehicle, disconnect the OEM harness by pressing on the retention tab and pulling back. Connect the included 7-pin trailer harness in line between the OEM harness and the connector on the back of the bumper, making sure everything snaps in place. Then, plug the DT connectors into the back of the pods. If you went with our C1R option, you'll notice your harness has a small black box connected with a purple wire. This controls the safety strobe feature on the C1R. If you want to disable the strobing, simply cut this wire. You can always splice it back together to regain the strobing function. For our application, we'll be keeping the wire intact. With everything wired up, test for functionality, then secure the wiring harness using the included zip ties. Finally, make sure to aim your pods how you like and then tighten them down using a 5/32 Allen key and your 3/8 wrench. As you can see, our Stage Series reverse light kit stands out with its innovations in both function and ease of use. Within minutes, we've added a significant increase in reverse light output, an additional red running light, and thanks to the C1R, a high-powered fourth brake light as well. If you're looking to pick up a Stage Series reverse light kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any newer future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.